One of the most common mistakes we see made by powder coaters is not grounding their powder coating guns correctly. So in today's video, we'll be talking about some specific best practices for you to follow with your new Redline gun. Failure to ground any powder coating gun properly can result in serious personal injury, gun failure, and a whole host of finishing issues. So it's extremely important to get this right. Okay, that said, let's first take a quick look at how handheld guns like the Redline work so you can better understand why the way you ground them is so important, and then we'll show you the best way to set up your system. The majority of handheld powder coating guns typically have two grounds, one to clip to the part being coated and a second internal ground that protects the person holding the gun. Both of these grounds are wired to the power plug on the unit and use the wiring in your home or business to eventually connect to an earth ground. While this is a functional way of grounding the gun in part, just using the ground circuit with your electrical system is not recommended, and doing so will definitely impact your finishing results. Some of the problems associated with just using an electrical system ground are uneven powder layers, poor powder transfer efficiency or wasted powder, powder that won't stick to the part, and Faraday cages. So for best results, we recommend driving an 8 or 10 foot long solid copper grounding rod at least 6 feet into the ground, as close to the location of the booth and gun as possible. In our case, we've gone right through the floor next to the test booth in our shop. Next, you'll want to connect the grounding clip coming from your Redline powder coating gun directly to that rod, making sure there is a clean, tight connection. Then, using a piece of 12 gauge or thicker wire and 2 squeeze clips, attach one end of the wire to the ground rod and the other end to the part hanger, holder, or cart in your booth. This setup will give you the optimum conditions for maximum powder transfer, smooth laydown of the powder, and less interference from Faraday cages. Just be sure to periodically clean the grounding clips and parts hangers to maintain that good ground. So that's it. Just a few simple rules to follow to keep you safe and get the best finishing results. We want to thank you for your time today, and please come back and visit our YouTube channel again soon. Thank you.